To kick off our conclave, it is my pleasure to invite our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Vijay Kalantri, to deliver the inaugural keynote. Dr. Vijay Kalantri, President of the All India Association of Industries, AIAI, and Chairman of the World Trade Center Mumbai, is a visionary leader with decades of experience in industry and commerce. Renowned for fostering industrial growth and global trade relations, he has represented Indian industries at international forums. A respected figure in the business community, he will share invaluable insights on the topic Promote Startups, Entrepreneurs and Women Entrepreneurs, reflecting his commitment to economic development. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Vijay Kalantri.
Let me first of all congratulate all the participants and of course Jacqueline, the organizer of IPLCM, Indian Private Label Contracting Manufacturing Exhibition. I think you have got more than 50 participants. I am really happy, but I would have loved that you grow better and better. And next year when we come here, whether as a chief guest or as just a visitor, it should be more than 100. So, and I wish you all the best for that, and I assure you of my support and cooperation. Of course, Madhubati, Kelkar, and friends. Nutraceutical, pharmaceuticals, food products, FMCG, is a big sector. And private label has been growing from leap and bounds. Today, India is thinking of growth in this year about 6.4% instead of 7.2%, which we had last year. But still, there is a great scope for all the people to grow. Women, entrepreneurs, startups, they have been growing in good numbers. And government has come out with various schemes to support startups, women entrepreneurs, and other sectors from various fields, including MSME. So, as I was seeing, some of them are there. I think you should take the support of Ministry of MSME and Ministry of Ayush for such exhibitions because they will support you and they will support you with the companies participating, like MSSIDC in Maharashtra. Various other organizations are there. We can talk and discuss, but this time I have seen your exhibition, so I can guide you more in times to come. But there's a great scope. I saw some of the good products. I saw some of the new innovative products and some of the products which are herbal and organic which people are not aware of, which I could see them being displayed here. And I feel that they have a great future. They could grow better, like skin products, whether it is organic products, whether it is consumer, or whether tea, coffee, like diabetic tea, diabetic coffee. So all these are something new and something which are unheard of. One cannot think that this happens, but it is there. So I feel there is a great opportunity. You need to make it more popular. You need to see that you more publicize through social media and various other avenues. And we will also try to put it up on the website and all today so that, more people come and more people take advantage of the products over here. And I think there's a big export market for these products, which they will be able to get. I think Kelkar is already in Uzbekistan, which I represent also. But there are many other areas where we can work on and move ahead. So I wish you all the best. I would not like to speak more, but we can sometime have a good interaction with all the participants. And if you want, we'll host a meeting for them at World Trade Center. And you invite all of them for a high tea, for lunch, for dinner. Whatever you say, we'll do it. After your exhibition, so we can say review of this exhibition. Your team, whoever have worked with you, and also the participants. I'll be happy to host them. And we can have a good high tea, lunch, dinner, whatever is convenient. All three offers are with you. So I'm there for you and I admire your team and the hard work they have done. They are the people behind the show. And it's always, of course, Jacqueline is the force behind everything. And I like your enthusiasm, the way you work and where you created your team. And I hope that you succeed. And whatever help and whatever assistance we can give you, we'll be happy to do that. Thank you very much. I would not like to speak much. And will have a good interaction with you in times to come. So we can have some brainstorming session. For the participants, we can have 1 hour session, then we can have IT or dinner or something, so that we can guide them that what is the future ahead for them. Because the Ayurveda product, dairy products, and organic products in various fields which you have done, including the pet care products which you are having, there's a big market, not in India but overseas. Only thing is you have to explore and systematically. That's the way. So thank you very much, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to inaugurate. I have really learned a lot from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vijay Kalantri, for those inspiring and encouraging words.